There are supercars, there are hypercars, and then there are legends that refuse to fade into history. But what if Ford decided to resurrect the name that once humiliated Ferrari on the world's biggest racing stage? Imagine a machine inspired by the legendary GT40, engineered with modern technology, breathtaking aerodynamics, and enough performance to challenge every elite supercar on the planet. It sounds almost impossible, yet rumors surrounding a possible 2027 Ford GT40 revival continue to ignite excitement across the automotive world. Could Ford really bring back one of the greatest racing icons ever created? Or something far more extraordinary waiting behind closed doors? Today we're exploring everything we know, everything we expect, and everything enthusiasts can't stop talking about. Welcome to Future Rev, your destination for the future of performance, innovation, and legendary automobiles. If you love next-generation supercars, concept vehicles, and exclusive automotive deep dives, subscribe now because the future has never looked this fast. Very few automobiles have changed motorsport history the way the original GT40 did. Created during the intense rivalry between Ford and Ferrari in the 1960s, the GT40 became an international symbol of engineering excellence after dominating the 24 Hours of Le Mans with 4 consecutive victories. It wasn't simply a race car. It became proof that determination, innovation, and fearless engineering could rewrite history. Decades later, Ford revived that legacy through the modern Ford GT, blending race-winning technology with breathtaking road-going performance. And that's only the beginning. Today, speculation suggests Ford could once again revisit its legendary heritage with a futuristic interpretation inspired by the iconic GT40, combining timeless racing DNA with the most advanced engineering the company has ever produced. Officially, Ford has not announced a 2027 GT40, and any discussion surrounding such a vehicle remains informed speculation. However, many industry analysts believe Ford has every reason to preserve one of its most valuable performance legends. If a modern GT40 were developed, it would almost certainly become the technological flagship of Ford performance. Representing everything the company has learned from decades of racing, electrification, and advanced materials, power would undoubtedly define this extraordinary machine. Several industry expectations point toward a twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6 paired with a sophisticated hybrid performance system, while others believe Ford could introduce an entirely new electrified V8 developed specifically for halo vehicles. Combined output could realistically exceed 900 horsepower, with torque figures approaching 850 pound-feet. These numbers remain speculative, but they would position the GT40 among the world's fastest production automobiles while honoring its legendary racing heritage. But here's where things get interesting. Delivering that immense power requires an equally sophisticated drivetrain. Engineers would likely pair the powertrain with a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission capable of nearly seamless gear changes under maximum acceleration. Intelligent torque vectoring, electronically controlled differentials, and advanced all-wheel drive technology could maximize grip without sacrificing the engaging driving experience enthusiasts expect from a Ford performance flagship. If these expectations become reality, the 2027 GT40 could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, complete the quarter mile in less than 10 seconds, and continue accelerating toward an estimated top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Performance would extend far beyond straight-line acceleration. Engineers are expected to utilize a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, lightweight aluminum suspension components, titanium structural elements, and extensive aerodynamic optimization to keep overall weight remarkably low while maximizing rigidity. Adaptive suspension would continuously monitor road conditions, instantly adjusting damping characteristics to balance everyday comfort with uncompromising track precision. Massive carbon ceramic brakes, developed using endurance racing experience, would deliver extraordinary stopping power even after repeated high-speed laps. Now comes the biggest surprise. Aerodynamics could become the defining feature of the entire vehicle. Instead of relying solely on aggressive styling, nearly every body panel would likely perform a functional purpose. Active front splitters, electronically adjustable rear wings, adaptive air intakes, integrated cooling channels, Underbody venturi tunnels and active ride height control could continuously reshape airflow, depending on speed and driving conditions. The result would be remarkable stability, exceptional cooling efficiency, and race-inspired handling unlike anything Ford has previously offered. Driving such a machine would likely feel closer to piloting a Le Mans prototype than an ordinary road car. Instant hybrid torque, explosive acceleration, razor-sharp steering, and perfectly balanced chassis dynamics would create an emotional experience that few automobiles could match. Things get even crazier when track mode unlocks the car's full aerodynamic capability, sharpens throttle response, recalibrates suspension settings, and transforms the exhaust note into an unmistakable racing soundtrack worthy of the GT40 name. Inside the cockpit, Ford would likely embrace a minimalist philosophy inspired directly by motorsport, while surrounding the driver with cutting-edge technology. A fully digital instrument display could adapt according to selected drive modes, showing everything from traditional speed and navigation to advanced performance telemetry during track driving. Artificial intelligence may continuously learn driver behavior, automatically optimizing suspension settings, climate preferences, navigation routes, and even performance recommendations based on previous driving sessions. Here's what nobody is talking about. Continuous over-the-air software updates could improve vehicle dynamics, battery management, infotainment performance, navigation, and connected services throughout ownership, ensuring the GT40 becomes smarter over time rather than outdated. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, 5G connectivity, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and real-time vehicle diagnostics would seamlessly integrate modern convenience into this racing-inspired machine. Luxury would remain surprisingly impressive despite the GT40's uncompromising performance mission. Lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats, trimmed in premium Alcantara and leather, could provide exceptional support while remaining comfortable enough for extended journeys. Customizable ambient lighting, premium metallic switchgear, race-inspired steering wheel controls, and carefully crafted interior materials would elevate every interaction. A premium Bang & Olufsen sound system may also be available, although many owners will likely prefer listening to the extraordinary engine behind them. Storage would naturally remain limited, yet cleverly designed compartments could provide enough practicality for weekend travel. Safety technology would reflect Ford's latest advancements without interfering with the driving experience. Adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance systems, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, surround view cameras, advanced parking assistance, driver attention monitoring, and a high-resolution augmented reality heads-up display would enhance confidence while preserving complete driver engagement whenever desired. Visually, the 2027 GT40 could become one of the most beautiful performance cars Ford has ever designed. The front fascia would likely reinterpret classic GT40 proportions through modern engineering, featuring ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, enormous functional air intakes, sculpted carbon fiber surfaces, and an aggressive front splitter that appears carved directly from the wind itself. Every angle would balance timeless heritage with unmistakably futuristic execution. The side profile would remain unmistakably inspired by the original GT40, retaining its dramatic low-slung silhouette, flowing roofline, prominent side air intakes, sculpted carbon fiber bodywork, and forged lightweight wheels wrapped in ultra-high-performance tires. Flush aerodynamic door handles, exposed carbon fiber accents, and race-inspired mirrors would complete an appearance that feels equally elegant and intimidating. Move toward the rear, and the engineering becomes even more dramatic. Full-width LED taillights, active aerodynamic elements, a towering adjustable rear wing, enormous rear diffuser, centrally mounted exhaust outlets, and exposed carbon fiber architecture would create a breathtaking visual statement, unlike anything else wearing a Ford badge. Every detail would exist for performance first and appearance second. Naturally, the GT40 would compete against some of the world's finest performance machines. Ferrari's latest flagship supercars deliver extraordinary passion. McLaren emphasizes lightweight engineering and precision, Porsche's 911 GT2 RS continues redefining track capability, while Lamborghini and Aston Martin offer unmistakable visual drama. Yet a modern GT40 would occupy a unique position by combining authentic Le Mans heritage, cutting-edge American engineering, and race-developed innovation that few competitors could genuinely claim. Ownership expectations would reflect its status as an exclusive halo vehicle. Fuel economy would improve compared with older high-displacement supercars thanks to electrified performance technology, though efficiency would never become the primary focus. Routine maintenance costs, insurance premiums, specialized tires, and carbon ceramic brake servicing would naturally position ownership within the upper tier of the supercar market. Reliability is expected to benefit from Ford's extensive racing and engineering expertise, although long-term durability would ultimately depend upon final production specifications. Daily usability would remain surprisingly respectable thanks to modern suspension technology, climate comfort, digital connectivity, and thoughtful ergonomics. Looking ahead, Ford could potentially offer a limited production launch edition, followed by track-focused variants featuring additional aerodynamic enhancements, reduced weight, and exclusive performance calibrations. Estimated pricing could realistically begin around $500,000, with highly exclusive editions exceeding $700,000, depending upon equipment and production numbers. Global production would almost certainly remain extremely limited, preserving exclusivity while targeting collectors, racing enthusiasts, and Ford loyalists worldwide. If such a project eventually reaches production, many analysts believe a reveal could occur toward the latter part of this decade, although Ford has made no official announcements regarding such plans. The possibility of a 2027 Ford GT40 represents far more than another expensive supercar. It symbolizes the return of one of motorsport's greatest legends through the lens of tomorrow's technology. It reminds enthusiasts that history doesn't simply belong in museums. It can inspire entirely new generations of engineering excellence. Whether this extraordinary machine eventually becomes reality or remains an ambitious dream, its very possibility proves that passion for performance continues driving the automotive world forward. Now we want to hear your opinion. Should Ford revive the legendary GT40 name for a next-generation supercar? Would you choose it over Ferrari, McLaren, or Lamborghini? Should it keep a powerful gasoline engine, embrace hybrid technology, or become fully electric? Let us know your thoughts in the comments because your voice helps shape every discussion here on Future Rev. If you enjoyed today's cinematic journey into one of the most exciting automotive possibilities of the future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Future Rev, and join us as we continue exploring tomorrow's greatest performance machines. Until next time, this has been Future Rev.